Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a little simple, easy, everyday makeup look that literally anybody can recreate. So if you're wanting to see how I do it, then stay tuned. So I'm going to be going in with a moisturizer. So I'm going to be using my Kylie Skin. And I like to use a good primer or just something like to base off my makeup, just because since it's going to be more of a natural look, you have to use more of a good, you have to have a good base for it, of course. So I'm just going in with my moisturizer. Okay, so I'm going to let the moisturizer sink in, and then I'm going to go in with the eye cream, just because why not? Literally you want your eyes to glow or whatever. So I'm just gonna be putting this under my eyes just to give my eyes a good base, and just because I want my eyes to be the glowy part of my makeup. And yeah, so after I let everything sink into my face or whatever, you can tell I really look like I have a little glowy little tone going on. So I'm going to be going in with my foundation stick. This is from Makeup Forever. So since I'm going for a more natural look, I like to just use a foundation stick versus a foundation, an actual liquid foundation. Just because, I don't know, it's just preference. So this is how it looks. This is super good for when you're, especially if you're in a hurry, you don't got time to be doing the most. So this is what I do. Obviously gotta get your neck, be careful of my sweater, and yeah, and you're done. So of course I'm going to go in with a beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend everything in. Okay, so right after I'm done blending with my beauty blender, what I'm going to do is grab a little brush, and I'm going to literally just grab it from the stick and just get all the spots that I didn't get, and just everywhere else that's a little more harder to get into. So of course under your eye and all that good stuff or whatever. My eyes are red, yeah, because I got my eyelashes done today and my eyes be a little too sensitive. So if you're wondering why my eyes are red, that's why. And then I'm just grabbing it directly from the same foundation, because I'm not gonna put concealer on, because I don't feel like there's a need to put so much product on your face. So yeah, just in case you guys are wondering that too. Alrighty, so then after I'm done applying my foundation, I'm going to go in with a little setting powder. It's kind of translucent. I'm not sure directly the name of it, but it's from Gulan. I don't know if I said that right, but it's literally these little balls, and well, it smells so good, and it sets your makeup, and then it has a little bit of a sparkle to it, or a little glitter to it. I don't know what it's called, but it just gives you a good setting, and it makes you glowy all over without doing too much. It's the perfect amount. And then I'm just using my little brush from Morphe. Perfect. And then this is after I'm done putting this on, and it comes in this little packaging. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Alright, so next step, I'm going to go in with a little blush. So I'm using my Kylie Cosmetics, and I'm using the color Baddie on the Block. And I'm using my little MAC brush, super good for blush. And yeah, I'm just blushing it up, putting a good amount, not too much. And I just like to kind of dab it a little bit with my finger. This is what it looks like with the blush on. Mind you, I don't have lipstick on, so I'm still looking a little crazy. Okay, so next step, I'm going to start moisturizing my lips. So I'm using my Mario Badescu lip balm. Love this thing. It literally moisturizes your lips to perfection. Okay, so then I'm going to start my eyebrows. So I don't do really anything that special with my eyebrows. So I just brush them out. And I'm going to go in with my brow filler. This is from Givenchy. And I'm using the color Brunette, of course. And it literally just comes in a little wand like this. And then you literally just apply it on your eyebrows. And it gives you a perfect tint. Okay, who is she? Don't know. You can literally see how red my eyes are. Perfect. So then after I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm just going to grab a little wand and just brush them out. make sure they're looking right and make sure that they're looking even. And yeah. So for my next step, I'm going to be going in with a highlight. So I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty, and I'm using the color Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal. Love this. My favorite highlighter. And yeah, so this is what it looks like, just so y'all know. And I'm going to be mixing both colors together just because I like the look it gives. And I'm just going to be pulling it right above, taking it up. And of course, I'm just using a little fan brush. Then I'm going to put some on my nose, on my lower lip, and I like to put some on the little arc of my eyebrow. And I like to put just a little bit going up here. Just a tiny bit though. And yeah, we are almost done or whatever. I feel like my ring light makes me look like super white, but I swear it looks so much more better in person. But we're doing what we can over here. Okay, so last step, I'm going to be doing my lips. So I'm going to be using Kylie Cosmetics. I'm using the liner High Maintenance, and I'm going to be going in with the Makeup Forever. This is like a little sample I got from Sephora, and I've liked it so far. You know, I'm still getting used to it because I'm not used to using other products. So I've liked this one so far, just because it's like a more natural color. And we'll get to it. I'm just going to line my lips super lightly. Oh, I done messed up my hair lip. And then I'm just going to take my finger and just kind of blend it in a little bit. Just so that way the line of the lip liner is not so harsh. Okay, and then I'm going to be taking the Makeup Forever color, and I'm just going to put it on my finger, and I'm literally just going to dab it onto my lips because I like more of a natural look. And then this is the color Rogue Cream, just so you guys know. This is what it looks with the liner and with the lipstick together. Super natural, like super simple, just patal por ahí, you already know what I rep. And yeah. Okay, so for my last step, I'm going to be going in with my Mario Badescu facial spray. I love this thing. It smells delicious, number one. And you just really feel like the hydration once you spray it on. Like, it's awesome. So I'm just going to put a few sprays. I gotta be careful. It tastes like roses. I had to be careful because I just got my eyelashes done, like I said. So I don't want to mess up my lashes. Okay, and then from here, you guys can add like falsies, or you can add mascara, but like I said, I just got my eyelashes done. I have individuals, so I don't like to put anything on top of it because, yeah. Alrighty, everyone, this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I was going for something more natural, more simple. My ring light is a pain in the butt because it'd be too bright sometimes. Like, it does not want to work with me. But I'm going to try to get this look in like different lighting so you guys can see it like in a better lighting, of course. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Simple, easy, yeah. Just one more tip I want to give everyone is to find products that work for you. Literally just try out every product you can, get samples, like literally anything, so that way you find out what works for you and your skin type, because literally everybody's skin is different. Okay, I want to make sure I'm like not forgetting anything. Okay, we're good. So I want to thank everyone for watching my video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe or whatever. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. It is at Nikkie Marie. And leave any video suggestions if you guys have any in the comments below or whatever. And yeah, I want to give a shout out to all 34 of my subscribers. Y'all real. And if you're not subscribed and you're watching this video, then you're fake. So make sure you go subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. I hope you guys have an amazing week. And I will see you next time. He was taking a nap. You gonna say bye?